This is a 300CFH desktop direct heating hand press sealing machine, especially suitable for aluminum foil bags and medical bags. Equipped with LED thermometer, can precisely adjust the temperature. Heating temperature can reach up to 200 degrees. The following is your operation demonstration. Turn on the power first. Aluminum foil bag temperature is about 120 degrees. The startup heating time is about 5 to 10 minutes. When the temperature arrives, it will be displayed on the screen. Sealing effect. In addition, the medical bag. The heating temperature is about 140 degrees to 150 degrees. Adjust the temperature. It can be sealed when the temperature arrives. A buzzer is attached to remind the sealing time. The above is a 300CFH desktop direct heat hand press sealing machine.